easily order your shelf stock within CURRIES EDGE through the PPOF pre-printed order form program, a feature exclusive to the Edge ordering application. To get started, send a list of the items you stock to your CURRIES customer service professional, and they will build you a custom list in Edge. Once the list is complete, you will be notified so that you can begin ordering from it. To place a PPOF order, click the Add Project button under the Project tab. At the top of the Add Project window, you will see a Stock Order button. Clicking this button will provide you with a Master PPOF dropdown where you can select the master list you want to order from. You will notice in this window that you are not required to enter project details. Since this is a stock order, it is not necessary. If left blank, Edge will provide a timestamp as the project name with a description of stock. Once you are finished making your selection, click Add, and Edge will immediately take you into the order form, adding your PPOF to the Project tab. Once inside the PPOF order form, you will notice PPOF as your order type, and a search bar will be visible under all 4 tabs. This search bar will allow you to look for mark numbers or part numbers to help you find your stock parts faster. You will also notice an added column to the door frame order tabs for Swift packs. This will allow you to quickly identify those items with their pack quantities. Important information regarding Swift packs. If an item qualifies for a Swift pack discount incentive, you will see the pack quantity listed in the column. If you want to order a full pack quantity, enter the number of packs needed in the quantity field. For example, if you want to order 2 Swift packs on line 4, you would enter a quantity of 2. This will communicate to the factory that you need 2 full Swift packs of 30 doors total. CURRIES EDGE is proud to offer the PPOF program to help you streamline and speed up stock ordering. Thank you for using CURRIES EDGE. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.